Let's talk about something you probably have in your kitchen right now. An orange, a lemon, maybe even a grapefruit. These bright, zesty fruits are more than just a pop of color in your fruit bowl or a quick snack on a busy day. Behind that simple peel is a massive American industry. Nearly 7 million tons of citrus harvested every single year. That's a scale that's hard to imagine, stretching across thousands of acres and involving countless hands. This isn't just a snack, it's the livelihood of thousands of people. Family farms, generations of growers, and a journey that starts with a tiny seed and ends up in your grocery cart or lunchbox. Most of America's citrus comes from 3 powerhouse states: Florida, California, and Texas. Each region has its own unique climate, growing conditions, and signature fruit. Florida is famous for its juicy, sweet oranges, especially the ones destined for your morning glass of orange juice. California, on the other hand, is known for its crisp, sweet navel oranges and a variety of other citrus that thrive in its sunny valleys. And don't forget Texas, where the famous ruby red grapefruit grows, bursting with color and flavor, and a true pride of the Lone Star State. Together, these states form the backbone of an industry that not only feeds America, but also exports sunshine and flavor to countries all over the world. Think about it. 6.9 million tons of citrus every year. That's more than 1 million elephants in weight. It's a staggering amount, and it all starts with a single blossom. It takes a huge network of farmers, pickers, truckers, packers, and a web of logistics to get that fruit from the grove to your table, fresh and ready to eat. So next time you peel an orange or squeeze a lemon, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. The people, the places, and the passion behind every bite. We're pulling back the curtain on this world, where dirt, machinery, science, and sweat all come together to make citrus possible. From the first blossom on a tree to the breakfast table in your home, you'll never look at citrus the same way again after seeing what goes into every piece of fruit. It's a tough, sometimes dirty job, but someone's got to grow it, and that someone is the heart of America's citrus story. Before an orchard can flourish, it all begins with the land itself. Citrus trees are notoriously picky, demanding sandy, well-drained soil that lets their roots breathe and keeps excess water at bay. Not every patch of earth will do. Farmers must scout for the perfect spot, where the ground is just right for these sensitive trees to thrive. Once the ideal land is chosen, the transformation begins. Farmers clear away brush and debris, then plow and level the ground, often using powerful tractors and heavy machinery. This process isn't just about making the land look neat, it's about creating the perfect bed for young roots to dig deep and grow strong, setting the foundation for years to come. Laying out an orchard is a blend of science and art. Today, GPS technology and laser-guided tools help map out perfectly straight rows, ensuring each tree gets optimal sunlight and air. This precision not only boosts efficiency but also helps the grove resist disease and makes future care easier. Rows are carefully spaced, not just for looks but to allow tractors to pass, air to circulate, and sunlight to reach every leaf. This thoughtful planning maximizes the number of trees per acre while reducing the risk of disease spreading between them. Instead of planting seeds, most modern citrus farms use saplings grown in nurseries. These young trees are often grafted onto hardy rootstocks, making them more resistant to disease and better able to produce high-quality fruit. It's a head start that gives each tree the best chance at a healthy life. Planting is a hands-on, labor-intensive process. Workers dig holes, gently set each sapling in place, and backfill the soil, making sure the roots are well covered. Under the hot sun, they repeat this process tree by tree, row by row, knowing that every careful step matters for the orchard's future. The next crucial step is irrigation. In hot, dry climates, water is nothing short of life for these young trees. Without a reliable supply, even the best-prepared orchard can struggle to survive. That's why modern groves rely on micro-irrigation systems, networks of black tubing and tiny drippers that deliver water directly to each tree's roots. This targeted approach keeps the soil moist where it matters most, even during scorching summers. Micro-irrigation isn't just efficient, it's essential. It conserves precious water, reduces waste, and ensures every tree gets exactly what it needs to grow strong and healthy. These first steps mark the beginning of a long journey. Each sapling, carefully planted and watered, is the start of a grove that will need years of nurturing before it bears fruit. Every detail, from the soil's texture to the distance between trees, is part of a bigger plan. It's this attention to detail that sets the stage for a thriving, productive orchard. Precision and planning at this stage mean healthier trees, and a better harvest in the years ahead. The work done now pays off for decades. The orchard's future is built long before the first fruit appears. Every empty row and young tree is a promise of what's to come. It's a blend of old-school grit, hard work in the sun, and new-school technology, from drones to digital mapping, that makes today's citrus groves possible. And it all starts with a simple patch of dirt, transformed by vision, effort, and innovation into a budding grove with a future as bright as the fruit it will one day bear. Planting is just the start. A citrus tree won't bear fruit for 3 to 4 years. Farmers invest time and money, nurturing young trees with no immediate return. The focus, building strong branches to support future fruit. Trees need a balanced diet. Farmers test soil and leaves, then use custom fertilizer blends. Fertigation delivers nutrients through irrigation, feeding roots directly. Pests and diseases are a constant threat. Farmers scout groves, use beneficial insects, and spray only when needed. Integrated pest management means using the safest methods first. Bees are essential. Many growers bring in hives during spring bloom for pollination. Bees get nectar, farmers get fruit, a perfect partnership. Every year the trees grow stronger, preparing for their first real harvest. It's patience, science, and a little help from nature. The payoff is worth the wait. After years of care, it's harvest time. The groves come alive. For fresh market citrus, picking is still done by hand. Skilled crews use ladders and canvas bags, twisting or clipping fruit to avoid damage. It's grueling work, climbing, carrying, and moving fast to fill bins. Pickers are paid by the bin, so speed and skill matter. For juice oranges, machines take over. Giant harvesters shake fruit onto conveyor belts in seconds. Whether by hand or machine, bins fill quickly and can't sit in the field. Forklifts load bins onto trucks, starting the journey to the packing house or processing plant. Every minute counts. Freshness is everything. Harvest is a race against time and the elements. It's a high-stakes operation powered by skill and teamwork. The fruit's journey is just beginning. From grove to truck, the clock is always ticking. At the packing house, the journey of each citrus fruit continues as it's unloaded onto long, winding conveyor belts. Here, the air is filled with the scent of fresh oranges and the hum of machinery, as thousands of fruits begin their transformation from orchard harvest to supermarket-ready produce. First, a gentle wash removes dirt and residue, a spa day for citrus. Powerful jets of water and soft brushes work together to ensure every orange is spotless, making sure no trace of the grove remains on the skin. After drying, the fruit is carefully graded by high-tech cameras and sensors. These advanced systems scan for size, color, and quality, sorting each orange with incredible speed and accuracy. Even the tiniest blemish or color variation is detected, ensuring only the finest make it through. Only the best get top grade. Technology catches what human eyes might miss. Skilled technicians oversee the process, double-checking the machines and making sure every orange meets strict standards. Premium fruit gets a thin coat of natural wax, sealing in moisture and extending shelf life. This step gives the oranges their signature shine and helps them stay juicy and fresh for weeks. Wax also protects against mold and decay during shipping, acting as a natural barrier against the elements. It's a small touch that makes a big difference on the journey ahead. Each piece is labeled with a tiny sticker, the brand you see in stores. These stickers aren't just for show. They help track the fruit's origin and ensure traceability from grove to grocery aisle. Automated systems pack fruit into boxes, each one carefully weighed and sealed for shipping. Robotic arms and conveyor belts work in perfect harmony, making sure every box is filled just right. Boxes are stacked on sturdy pallets and moved to refrigerated storage where temperature and humidity are tightly controlled. Here, fruit waits, cool and fresh, for its final journey. This cold environment keeps the citrus at peak flavor and quality until it's ready to travel. Every step is about preserving quality and freshness, from the moment the fruit arrives to the instant it leaves the facility. From field to fridge, the process is fast and precise, blending human expertise with cutting-edge technology to deliver the best fruit possible. The packing house is where fruit gets ready for the world, each orange polished, protected, and prepared for the journey from grove to your table. Not every orange is pretty enough for the fresh market. Those go to the juice plant. Here machines slice and squeeze oranges, extracting juice without bitter peel oils. The juice is filtered to remove seeds and excess pulp, creating a smooth liquid. Leftover peels and pulp become cattle feed, nothing goes to waste. Next is pasteurization. Juice is quickly heated and cooled to kill bacteria, keeping flavor and nutrition. Some juice is sold as not from concentrate, just pasteurized and packaged. Other juice is concentrated by evaporating water, making it easier to store and ship. Concentrate is later reconstituted with water before sale. Juice is bottled or boxed in sterile automated facilities. Every drop is tracked for safety and quality. From ugly fruit to liquid gold, it's an efficient transformation. The juice industry squeezes value from every orange. It's how America quenches its thirst. Once packed, citrus faces its final challenge, getting to the customer. Fresh fruit is loaded into refrigerated trucks, keeping the cold chain unbroken. Boxes are engineered for strength and ventilation, protecting fruit on long journeys. Delicate citrus may be wrapped or tray-packed for extra care. Exporting adds complexity. Fruit must meet strict standards and sometimes undergo cold sterilization. Paperwork and inspections ensure compliance for international shipping. Fruit travels in refrigerated containers by truck, train, or ship. Speed and preservation are key. Sophisticated tracking monitors location and temperature in real time. From sunny groves to distant markets, citrus travels thousands of miles. Every step is about delivering perfect fruit, no matter the distance. The logistics network is a marvel of modern agriculture. It's how American citrus reaches tables worldwide. The citrus industry is always evolving. Innovation is key. Water management is smarter than ever, with sensors and satellite imagery guiding precise irrigation. Drones spot pest problems early, allowing targeted treatments and reducing chemical use. Cover crops between tree rows improve soil health and reduce fertilizer needs. These sustainable practices mimic nature, building resilient groves. Researchers develop new citrus varieties resistant to disease and drought. Modern rootstocks help trees thrive in tough conditions. Technology and tradition work together for a sustainable future. Every advance helps farmers grow more with less. The industry adapts to challenges, ensuring citrus for generations. Innovation keeps this old trade fresh. From dirt to juice glass, citrus is a story of hard work and teamwork. Farmers, scientists, pickers, graders, mechanics, drivers, each plays a vital role. Most of their work is invisible to us, but it's what fills our grocery aisles. That little sticker on your lemon is a passport, proof of a long, remarkable journey. Every piece of fruit represents time, energy, and dedication. It's more than just food, it's the result of countless hands and minds. Next time you enjoy citrus, take a moment to appreciate the process. Raise a silent toast to everyone who made it possible. They turned sunshine and soil into something essential. Their story is worth telling and worth remembering. Here's to the hands that feed us.